Hello there, and welcome to my course, Consuming Data with GatsbyJS. Designing and developing software is my passion, and I must admit, I am in love with GatsbyJS and the Jamstack architecture in general. I am also delighted that you're here seeking to learn more about this awesome technology. This course is all about GatsbyJS and data, and how to consume it from different data sources, both at build time and runtime. Some of the major topics that we will cover in this course include consuming data from WordPress. You know, lots of companies want to keep their WordPress instance as a data store and for its awesome editing capabilities too, but want to build a new, modern, static front-end site with tools like GatsbyJS. In this course, I'll show you how to do that. Some other companies prefer to source their data from modern headless CMS systems. We'll learn how to configure and source data from Netlify CMS, a modern open-source content management system built on top of React. We'll also learn to consume data from external GraphQL APIs. And finally, we'll explore how to consume and display data at runtime and create hybrid pages that mix static content with live data. By the end of this course, you'll have a good understanding of the different ways to consume data in GatsbyJS. Let's begin.